Your seat is still warm in the rain-smeared glass. I trace your last name, then let it pass. The road keeps moving, but my chest stays still. I keep your echo like a broken thrill. If I call your ghost, will you answer low? Through the blue-black miles, through the undertow. My hands on the wheel, my heart in the wake. One more second is all I can take. Hold me under, hold me under. Don't let go. Hold me under, hold me under. I already know your name in my throat like a fading star. Hold me under till the darkest dark. The mirror catches what I cannot say. A line of tears slips away. I see your shade in every passing light. 1,000 silences between the stripes. If I call your ghost, will you answer low? Through the blue-black miles, through the undertow. My hands on the wheel, my heart in the wake. One more second is all I can take. Hold me under, hold me under. Don't let go. Hold me under, hold me under. You're already know your name in my throat like a fading spark. Hold me under till the darkest dark. I used to think we were made of gold. Now I'm just learning how to fold into the silence, into the ache, into the part of me you couldn't take. Hold me under, hold me under. Don't let go. Hold me under, hold me under. Your name in my throat like a fading spark. Hold me under till the darkest dark. Hold me under, hold me under.